Hello friends and welcome back. We're working on my little XR80 again today. Um, Now, I've owned this bike for probably 36, 37 years now. It's been in the family longer than every other bike other than the Husqvarna, so it's pretty cool. Now, in a previous video, I had to replace the valves, the springs, the timing chain, the cam sprocket, crank sprocket, all that stuff. And I didn't quite get it back together right. I didn't get the valves lapped in properly. So this time I relapped them with, I used a cordless drill. And also one of the timing chain guides was really not right. And so I had to get back in there and replace it. Now, I love this little bike. Like I say, I've had it forever, and I'm not willing to give up on it. It's a great little bike, and my kids are riding it, and I just love it, and I'm gonna keep it forever. So let's get into tearing this apart and seeing if we can make it run right. So after a long, hard day working on machines, I like to come home and unwind by working on machines. It's a sickness. There's something wrong with me. All right. First and foremost, we are going to use a diamond file to clean up this head a little bit because it looks like some pieces of whatever let go last time, the valves and the piston, might have slapped around in here a little bit. So we're just going to clean up little spots around the edges. Just try to make sure that we have as good of a surface as possible. Yeah, I banged in here a lot. Most of this really isn't an issue, but you know, it's really the stuff around the rim that concerns me more than anything. Even that doesn't really concern me because it's not, there's no raised burrs or edges or dings or anything like that, so I think that's good to go. And I think we lapped our valves in really well. Valve springs. God, these things are a bitch. Almost had 2 for 1 and then I had none for nothing. And the one went somewhere else. Fuck. And by somewhere else, man, that thing could be in the ether. Alright, well, I'm going to start searching for that and see how far I can get on this. You don't need to see every step because you've already seen every step. Alright, I'll pick this up. Alright, I'll pick this back up again sometime soon. This carb tightened up. Hook up the plug wire. Put on the exhaust, plastics, tank. And I don't see a reason why this won't fire right up. Ride like a dream. Like a Honda dream. All right, here we go again. All right. As it turned out, I had the cam sprocket one tooth off, so I had to get back in there and remedy that issue and get it back together. All right, let's try this again. I didn't even put it all the way back together just in case I have to tear it all apart again. So, all right. Really good. Let's finish getting this together and take it for a ride. I'd say that's running just about better than it has since 1986. So
All right, I'm very proud of that. It's idling, runs, stops, it's not smoking. I think we got it this time. All right.
All right, she's back again. Running better than it has since I was a kid, man. This thing is it's just ticking like a Swiss watch. I'm so proud of this. I'm so proud of this little bike, and proud of myself for digging in and doing the work and making sure it was right. So I'm just so happy to have it back, and being just running perfect. So, all right, thanks for stopping by and watching this. And I don't know, what are we gonna do next? I have a new battery for the VFR, and I have wires. See if any of the wiring on that needs to be replaced. I still have a long way to go on the boat. I have all the parts necessary for the YZ if I wanted to get into that. Next week's paycheck, I think I'm going to try to buy some more wiring, proper gauge wiring for the CT90. That one might be a real priority, because if I get the CT90 going and we have the 80 and the 50, then me and my boys can all ride together, and maybe we can go to some trails and stuff and have some fun. So that one might be a priority. Or I don't know. 550 could probably use a little bit of carb work still. I noticed that all of the air adjustment screws are all wacky and out of sync, so I have to look into that. And I think I have all the parts I need for the CL350. I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do next. All right, see you next time.
He might have forgot to turn his gas on too.